go for. We're going to go for the Red Cross. 30 yards. Ooh, I'm above. And that was a nice shot. That was just the wrong gap, effectively. Bizarre. Right, see if I can adjust. Which would be nice. It's only a £40 boat. They just don't drop. Red Cross. Second attempt. 30 yards. Get in there. I mean, it's 3 o'clock. It's like either touching it or just in it, you know. But you know, I did adjust. I like that. Third shot, blue. I'm gonna go for the yellow ball. Get in. I say that, it looks like it's in. I'll find out when I get down there because I can't be bothered to get me blind over there. Right, bonus ball, lighted knock. We're gonna go for. I'm gonna go for the blue block. Oh. I'm shocked. I thought I was going to go there till I missed. That was a shame.